Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're doing a deep clean of the kitchen. You know, in life I have learned to enjoy the chaos, enjoy the mess and the piles of dishes, but I've also learned to enjoy the peace and the calm. And sometimes when life gets too crazy or the house gets a little too messy, it's nice to take time, even if it's just 1 hour, to create a peaceful and calming space. So that's what we're going to do tonight. If you need some motivation, make sure you keep on watching. Even though I'm really good at giving myself grace when it comes to messes in the house and real life, I always find that if I let it go for too long, I start to get stressed out and it definitely eats away at me. So on this particular night, I put the kids to bed, I turned on some music, and I got busy cleaning. I really wanted to create a nice, clean kitchen to wake up to the next morning. That's one of my favorite feelings. And so I'm going to start here with the dishes because I find that dishes are half the battle. If you can get to the root problem, get all the dishes clean and put away, then half the battle is already won. I've been really focused on living in the moment this summer with my family, with loved ones, with friends, and that usually means lots of good times, good food, good drinks, and so much fun. So if that means that the kitchen gets messy, or the entire house for that matter, for a short period of time, then I'm totally okay with it. But it does always feel so good to get everything back in order. There's just something so satisfying about that. I am going to tackle my oven here in a second. I would say that this is pretty much my typical deep cleaning routine. I always try to deep clean one appliance, maybe organize one drawer every single time I deep clean the kitchen. That way I never have to do one huge deep clean and clean everything all at once, if that makes sense. So once I finish the dishes, we'll get started with that. Even though I love to cook big meals for my family, I am completely guilty of leaving a huge mess in the oven, and I would like to thank Easy Off for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be using Easy Off Fume Free to clean my oven tonight. Whatever your recipe is for a clean kitchen, it's never complete without Easy Off. It destroys the toughest burn-on grease, and no gloves are required to clean. You can see here I have tons of caked on food. I just sprayed that on. I left it for 30 seconds. I did the spot clean. My oven was nice and cool before I did this. And then I just took a damp cloth after I waited those 30 seconds and wiped it completely clean. I can always rely on this cleaning recipe to keep my kitchen feeling sparkling after a day of meal prepping or cooking. And check out this before and after. You can see all of that caked on grease and food, and after 30 seconds of Easy Off, good as new. I also wanted to share this little hack. This is my stainless steel toaster, and it has lots of caked on grease and food from just lots of use. So I'm gonna lightly spray that Easy Off right on there. Again, leave it for 30 seconds, and when I wipe this clean, also good as new. I just wanted to say that I am so glad that you are here today. I hope that you find lots of encouragement and inspiration for your everyday, whether you're trying to find cleaning motivation or you just want to clean along with a friend. I'm always here. I'm always just one click away. So if you are new here today, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button down below so that I can see more of you, and let me know down in the comments, when did you find my YouTube channel? Was it back in my old house in Georgia? Has it been since we moved here to Ohio? I'm really curious, guys. Let me know. I love fresh, clean countertops, and of course I'm gonna light a candle. At nighttime, it is so nice to turn on the soft lighting, light a candle, and just make it feel calm and cozy. It's one of my favorite feelings in the world. These white counters and white cabinets do attract a lot of dirt and a lot of smudges, so I try to come in as often as I can and just wipe everything down. I find that if I spot clean on the regular pretty much every day, then it's definitely easier to keep up with.
Oh my child, I know hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
So earlier in the day, I went to Lowe's to buy some paint, and I came home with this English lavender. I'm not even sure how it happened. Sometimes I black out in Lowe's and come home with new flowers. It just kind of happens. But I decided to go ahead and pot it, and of course I made a huge mess. Whoops. But I did pot that, and I'm adding it to my other herbs above the kitchen sink. I love them sitting there on the windowsill. I think they add such a pop of color and life to the space, and they get lots of sunshine there, so they do really well.
I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
I have really loved having these pull-out trash cans. These are new to us. In our previous home, we didn't have these, and it has been so nice to be able to have hidden trash bags. But I'm just taking the trash out. They were both full on this evening, and I'm actually adding some activated charcoal bags to the bottom of the trash cans. You'll see me put them in there in just a second. And that just helps absorb any odors or any bad smells. Also, it was so funny, in the kitchen reveal video, I had so many comments asking if we did not have a microwave or where our microwave was, and I realized it never really was shown on camera, but it's behind this peninsula and it's a microwave drawer, so it's really nice to have hidden away.
Don't give up, just hold on tight.
I have been loving plugging in my Scentsy at nighttime. It is just so cozy. I love that ambiance lighting. My Scentsy is called Crush, and it looks like crushed diamonds. It's really, really pretty. And I found this wax at a local farmer's market. It's called Creme Brulee. Oh my word, it smells like a French bakery. It is so good and so fresh, and I just love plugging that in at nighttime. But now it is time to shine the sink. It's one of my last steps when I'm deep cleaning my kitchen, and it's one of my favorite things to do. For whatever reason, it is so satisfying. It is kind of like the cherry on top of a sundae when you're cleaning, to shine your sink and make it nice and clean. In full transparency, the cabinets and drawers in the kitchen are far from perfect, to say the least. And I've been thinking about filming a kitchen organization video here soon, where I go through all the drawers and cabinets and maybe share some organizing ideas with you guys. So let me know down in the comments, is that something you guys would like to see? If not, that's totally okay. I want to hear from you as well. But either way, let me know, and if I get enough people to say that they'd like to see that kind of video, I'll definitely do one. It's amazing how just taking 45 minutes to reset the home, reset the heart of the home, I should say, the kitchen, just completely changed my mood and completely set the tone for tomorrow. So I want to encourage you, no matter what time of day it is, maybe it's morning, maybe it's the afternoon, maybe it's evening, set a timer for 15 minutes and just get as much done as you can in your kitchen. Maybe your kitchen's already clean, maybe it's a different area of your home, but tackle as much as you can, and I would not be surprised if that did not have a snowball effect and you ended up doing more, and that will change your entire day if you're looking for that motivation. So I want to encourage you with that. Set that timer, get started, and get to work. And now that everything is pretty much clean, I am going to take everything off the floors and just give the kitchen a good sweep and mop. I am in the market for a vacuum that goes over hardwoods. We have zero carpet in the house, and we currently do not have a vacuum cleaner, hence why I am sweeping. I'm in the market for something. It doesn't necessarily have to be cordless, but just give me your recommendations down below. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It puts a smile on my face knowing you're here, supporting me and my channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope that today's video gave you tons of motivation to create a peaceful and calm space in your own home. I encourage you, again, like I said, the 15-minute timer, but also just take little bits in your day. Take 10-minute spurts, 5-minute spurts. It's definitely progress over perfection. just get something done in your home and you're gonna feel so much more at peace. So I encourage you to do that. But now I'm turning on that cozy lighting, enjoying the space, probably gonna treat myself to a chai tea and relax now that the work is done. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye.